Okay, onto the GTR kit. We have the new Liberty Walk silhouette kit for the GTR. The GTR we're doing currently has version 2 kit on it. So we've already jumped into it and started pulling it off. I can give you a brief idea of just how dramatic this new kit actually is. This ends up being more or less a complete rebody. So we're gonna do a series of videos walking you guys through the process and what it takes to install one of these start to finish and just how much work it is. This is kind of an extreme case because I think this is 30 pieces in total. So like I said, it's almost a complete rebody, but the quality of the kit is amazing. Should to go get it quick and we'll get to see it soon.